So this is the second experiment, Introduction to Data Science with Python. So here goes the first question. In first question, we are creating the empty dictionary. So this sorry. This is the first question. We are creating an empty dictionary, and after creating an empty dictionary, we are getting the number of employees there. And after getting the number of employees, we have taken the user input to fill the dictionary in the third one. Okay. After getting the user input to fill the dictionary, we are given for employee names and ID for the employees and ID for the employee name. So after that, we have given here search ID to search the employer ID and to display the employer name. So we have given here search ID input, enter employer ID to search. This is for searching by employer IDs and to display their name. After this, we are traversing the dictionary here. We are traversing the dictionary. At last, we are traversing the dictionary. If dictionary ID is found, it will be given as employee name, or else it will be given the employer ID not found. We are moving for the second question. Here the question is the finding the strings with same first and last character if length is greater than 2. Okay. So here we are creating the empty list. After creating, we are getting the number of strings. After getting the number of strings, we are going through the loop and entering the each string. So after entering the each strings, we are filling the list with the string list. Okay, we are filling the list with the string input. After filling the list with the string input, we are going for the count the valid string counts. So after going for the valid string counts, we go for the we go for the valid string list here. So after counting the valid string count, we are going for the here the given condition. If the length is greater than or equal to 2, the item will be 0 or item is less. So if the last two character is found, the statement number of strings of the statement, the first one can, and the count how many characters are count, it will be displayed here. So here I have given the different things, so it is not counting, so it comes with the character 0. After that, we are finding the maximum value. We'll be going for the next question. We are finding here the maximum value of the number. So we are creating an empty set here. After creating an empty set, we are going for the number of elements to get the number of elements. After getting from the user, we are going to find the maximum value. Here we have created a loop. In this loop, value will be given as enter as the number of values given by the user. After entering the number, if value is the maximum value is the value. So I have given the number of values 3. And this 3 is the value 100 200 there. The maximum value of set is 300. Here the maximum value is counted in the value set. So we have given the value set as here. So if value set, the maximum value will be the 300. It comes here with this. That's it. The fourth question is, so we have to find the sum of the elements given there. So we will be creating a empty list. First, the tuples will be the tuple will be the immutable. After this, we will be getting the number of elements from the user. After getting it, we will be get the user input for we will be get the user root for I in range, like looping. We are looping the values. After valuing, we will be converting to the tuple. Like tuple, we will be converting to the tuple. After converting it, we will be calculating the sum of it. Yes, here we are creating the empty list. After empty list, we are getting from the user. After getting from the user, we are going in a loop to enter the value, like next values, like how many number of elements will be given. So after we are getting in, we will be converting to the tuple to the number of list. After converting, we will be we will be adding we will be adding the elements. So here is we are first getting the number of elements from the user 3. After we are typing the each values 10 20 30, the sum of this element is 60. That's it. So next question is, we are going to do the matrix addition using the numpy numerical Python. Yes. So basically in matrix we need a rows and columns. So we are asking the user that how many rows and how many columns we needed. So after that we are using the print statement to print there will be matrix A and B. Okay, sorry, there will be matrix A and B. We are asking to print the elements in the matrix A. Like we are getting the user from yes, after in matrix there will be a column 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 like that. So we are getting it from the user. So we are using the for loops here from range for columns and the range from loops. So for j in range columns it tells that for j from I to j from 0 to how many, like I is column, j is row here. From how many columns? If we give them two rows and three columns, there will be a two rows and three columns, so that it goes from 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3. Like this it goes. So here the matrix will be given. For matrix, the A we have given as numerical Python np dot array matrix A. So we have calculated A is equals to matrix A and B is equals to matrix B. So here the question is summing of the matrix. So we are adding the matrix. After adding the matrix, we have given the matrix addition. So yes, to print the resultant matrix after addition, we have entered here and we have printed the results. And here is the solution for it. Yeah, I have given two matrix, matrix A and matrix B, and after addition, the two matrix will be is like this. That's it. So we are going for the next question. So in this question, the 2D, actually this is a 2D sum of elements in a 2D matrix. Yeah, we are going to sum the elements in 2D matrix. So we are importing the numpy. After numpy, we have given the rows and columns. So we are getting from the user how many rows and how many columns we'll be getting from the user. After getting it, we have to print what are all elements in the matrix. So this is the matrix formula. Inside ij we will be defining it, element ij. So after defining it, for loop we are using to get the range from range of the columns and range of the rows. After getting it, it goes from the same formula we are using for a matrix here. It is the formula to get the matrix. So after using, we have gone for the to print for sum of the elements. We'll be printing the elements after we are calculating the sum of the total arrays in the matrix. So we are giving the number of rows 3, number of columns 2. After the element of the matrix will be displayed, and the sum of all elements in the matrix will be added and it will be showed as the output at last. So last question of the experiment. So in this experiment, we are going to read the data and we are going to display the data here. So we are importing the pandas as PD and the numerical Python as NP. After importing, here we have given df is equals to pd dot read CSV. Here iris CSV is our data set. We are going to read the data set. After data set, after data set reading, and if we print our data, it is so these are all the data present in our data sets. Okay, so yes, this is the code, and read CSV is used for reading the data set. So we have read the data set here. So it comes this is the data present in our data set. Yes, next question is df head. Df head is used to display the top 5 rows. Inside, if we have given 10, it will be the first 10 first 10 rows will be showed here. Tail is shown for the last bottom. Here I have given the df tail. Tail is shown for the bottom of the data in the data set. So here I have given the tail. It shows the last 5 data sets here. So length of the data. So total, it tells us total how many data sets are there in the data frame. Like here it gives us in this data set totally 150 rows and 150 rows are there. So it tells us totally 150 the length of the data set. The length means how much rows it has. So it tells us 150 rows. And I have given I have given here the columns to list. So I have so this question is to data frame the columns to list. So here I have given what are all the columns to list here. So in my data set, there are the columns ID, sepal length in centimeter and sepal width in centimeter, petal length in centimeter and further. So the display shows. Here, if this column to list shows that what are all the columns present in the data set. So these are all the columns present in the data set. So this is the answer. And it shows the and df dot size tells that total size of the data set. So we have 150 rows and 6 columns. The ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So 150 into 6 is 900. Yes, 900 is the answer. And df dot shape. df dot shape. It tells how many rows and columns are present in here. So it is present 150 and 6. So it gives. So df.ndi, so how many things are present here? It is 2. The answer is given. Thank you. The second experiment is over.